Hey everyone, Jared from Yota Expedition here. Today we're going to be going over our LED bed lights for the Tacoma. The Yota Expedition LED bed lights are an essential upgrade for anyone who wants to upgrade the functionality of their Tacoma and of course the style. Whether you're a contractor working a late night at the job site, an adventurer who got to camp later than they expected, or just someone who wants to add some functionality to the bed of their Tacoma, the Yota X LED plug and play lights are the perfect fit for you. If you want to check out our full installation video on these bed lights before you purchase, there's a link down in the description to head over to our YouTube channel and check it out. The Yota Expedition bed lights are super easy to install. All you have to do is pop out the factory placeholder on your Tacoma and plug and play the Yota Expedition LED lights directly into your truck's factory harness. There's really no reason not to get these for your truck. Head over to Yota Expedition and grab a set for your Tacoma today. The link is down in the description.